Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video we'll talk about today. It's bound to be quite a volatile day because right now, to dive right into the facts, the volume of Bitcoin is the lowest it's been since the beginning of January. Then we also had this volume. What happened afterwards is a move from 17,000 up to 23,000. So I'm not saying that will happen again, but I do expect some volatility. And I'll explain to you why that is as well. So we'll just talk about what I think of Bitcoin right now. But apart from that, we'll also talk about next week. I'll give you a full overview of what to look out for and just everything you need to know. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description. We are about to close another profitable week. So if you want to actually become a better trader and investor and make some money, check out those links. There's also a link to BYBIT, my partnered exchange. If you want to use a better exchange to trade on and invest on, check out that link and sign up. I would definitely recommend it. So now onto Bitcoin. So yesterday, as expected, like we also talked about in the morning, was a little bit of a bullish day. Saturday usually is a bit bullish. There's just less selling pressure. But like I said, I mean, overall, it's a real weekend. The volume actually is going up a little bit because yesterday at some points we were below 7 billion. Right now we're around 7.5 billion in volume. But we're also dropping a little bit. Found resistance at the 27,200 level. So altogether, you can, like the structure right now is very consolidating, very ranging. There's no real movement in the price. Now I think that's about to change in the next 24 hours. Usually the Sunday to the Monday is quite volatile, and part of the reason why is because the volume is that low that if people like institutions, market makers, big traders if they are starting to pump money into the markets again, usually like those moves and those transactions will have a way bigger impact than when the volume is like 14 billion, which it normally is during the week. So that's why, and it's also that institutions and stuff start working again on Monday. So that's actually Sunday for me at least, if we're talking about time zones. So that's why I think we'll have some movements, and I think they'll be bullish. I've said that countless times. I know that, and it's a little bit of a hard point to defend because we haven't been that bullish for a long time. And you can also see that there's some sort of, technically we're actually a little bit more bearish. Like technically you would say that we're in this kind of structure, that we are making these lower highs and we have the support at around 26,700, and if that breaks, it's over. Like you could say that, and that would be technically true, but still what I think is going to happen is that the dollar strength index has now found some significant resistance, and I think at least on the short term that will actually continue to drop down. And this is negatively correlated with Bitcoin. I think it has quite a lot of effect, and that's why I think perhaps today will fall down to this level right here at around 26,800. But from that level, I do think we'll be able to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 27,400 and to move up towards the 28,000 regions. Like I said, I know that's I know I'm one of the only ones saying that, but yeah, I'm not certain about it, but I'm pretty certain about that. I think that if the dollar strength index is going to fall, that something like that is actually very realistic, and even the most likely scenario. So now it's all about that dollar strength index that opens at the end of today as well. So we'll see. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll do an overview of the economic calendar because right now it's a little bit too late and I don't like to do that at the end of the video. So if you want to know more about that and what to look out for next week, because there are some big events, then check out that video as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy your Sunday and bye.